Hey guys, it's Jet here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're looking at a number sequence, and a very basic number sequence at that, just so we can warm up the mind a little bit. I'm going to get straight into the question. The next number in the number pattern or the number sequence is, okay, so the number pattern they've given us is 1, 3, 5, 7. Now the very first thing you need to do when you receive a number pattern or a number sequence question like this is to try and figure out whether there is a common difference between each of the numbers. The way you do that is you find the difference between each of the numbers. So let's have a look. If we look at 1 and 3, what is the difference there? 3 minus 1 is 2. If we look at 5 and 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. Now that makes us smile because we can see there is a common difference that's emerging. 7 minus 5 is 2 as well, just what we were hoping for. So if you see that, we can see that there's a first common difference. And that means that we know that the next number would be 7 plus 2 because the difference is going to be 2. So 7 plus 2 is 9. And is 9 one of the options that's given to us? It is indeed. So we can circle 9 and that would be a mark in the bag. That's all from me, guys. Very special thank you to our sponsors. Find out more about them in the description below. If you're keen on more videos like this, visit our website or send us a question and we will respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.